Welcome back to this video. Today we'll see the corona situation all over the world. You must be knowing or you must be aware that the markets all over the world are falling steeply. One of the major reasons can be the increase in the number of corona cases. Now let us see the situation of the corona new cases all over the some of the countries of the world. First of all, let us see the US. The United States had number of cases in the month of March around 117. Then it gradually increased to around 75,000 in Europe, early August, and now it fell in the September, and then again it has started to rise. Now it has reached a peak all-time high new cases of 99,784 on 30th October. So you can see that the US is having a severe second wave of corona cases. It is increased to almost 1 lakh cases, new cases per day. Now let us see some other countries. Let's take up, say, France. Now you can see that France also was having fewer cases earlier on, and in fact it was less affected earlier on, but now you can see that the France situation is also getting worse. As on 30th October, the number of new cases are 49,215, so which is also a new high for it. It's a parabolic rise in the number of cases, and the number of cases as on 30th October are 31st October are 35,000, and 30th October where it was around 40,000, more than 40,000. Let's take up Germany. Germany also, you can see that the DAX index is dependent on Germany, and the Germany cases also have risen very sharply. They had a peak in the month of March of around 6,000, 7,000 cases in the month of April, and now it is increased to a level of around 19,000, which is again a new peak for Germany. Let's see what is in UK. United Kingdom. United Kingdom also is having a new increase in the number of cases. Earlier on in the August and June and July, the number of cases were less. They had a peak somewhere in the month of April. After that, they had a control over the cases, and all of a sudden, in the month of October, it has started to rise, and the UK cases have increased to 21,900 as on 31st October. Let us see Italy. Italy was severely affected earlier on, and that time also the cases were not very high around compared to what it is today. The number of new cases that time were around maximum around 6 to 7,000, but now the situation is so severe that the number of cases there are new cases as on 31st October was 31,756. So you can see that it has become worse. Let us see China, where the whole thing started. China has done remarkably well, or their figures are not correct, not reported correct. Their number of cases as on the 29th October was 25, which is far lower than the beginning where they had 7,000, 8,000 new cases per day. So China has given the corona to all the world, but itself is controlling it very nicely. Maybe the facts and figures are not correct, but what is shown is very low. Let us see Japan. Japan's new cases are 770 at the moment, which is quite low. 31st October, new cases are 770. Japan had a peak in the month of August where the cases reached to 2000. So Japan is controlling the corona situation quite well. but towards the end of October, the number of cases seems to be slightly rising. Let's take up South Korea. South Korea also the situation is quite under control. The number of cases as on 30th October are 126. They had a peak early in the March and early March, end of the March, where they had 1,000 as the number of highest cases, new cases per day. Let's take up country like Singapore, which is known for its cleanliness. As you can see, Singapore had new cases of only 12 as on 31st October. So it is, you can see they had a peak of around 1400 in April, May, and then they had another peak in August. But now the cases are only 12 per day. New cases 12. Finally, let us see our India. What is the situation? We had very few cases in the month of April, then it gradually increased, and we had a peak in September 17th where we had 97,894 cases. Now the cases have come down to 48,268 as on 31st October. So India is on a downward slope, but we have to be careful because we may have a second wave in the in we may have in the month in these winter months. So let us see. But so far the situation in India is getting under control. With this, let us see all worldwide. Worldwide, the number of cases are increasing, and these are new cases. Uh, as on 28th October, the new cases were 5,52,000, which is an all-time peak. So it is not decreasing worldwide; it is increasing worldwide. So obviously, with the overall new cases increasing worldwide, and especially in the developed world like US, Italy, Germany, the economic activity will get affected, and obviously the markets are not going to go up in a hurry. So please be cautious about the market. Thank you.